So this is the Instagram channel that I am currently building, and this is our Instagram page that I have actually had for years, but I haven't been posting until the beginning of this month. And you can see that in less than 30 days, if you look at my professional dashboard, I have already reached over 24,000 views. And mind you, I've only been implementing this particular strategy in less than 30 days, and I have already gotten this result. This is to show you that this step-by-step guide I will be sharing with you in this video actually works. Also, these Faceless Instagram channels have actually generated over $200,000 in the last 90 days. And these Instagram pages are not even up to 2 years old and were started by people like you and I. And if you follow the step-by-step guide I will be sharing with you in this video, you should be able to get the same results or even better if you start today. Now, I must tell you that even though the process is quite simple, it is not easy and it will require hard work, it will require commitment, and it will require focus. Now, the very first step we are going to do is evaluate similar accounts that are getting these results. Now, you can see this account is talking about mindset, and you can see the kind of post that gets over 100,000 likes and a lot of views, obviously, are quite simple posts, and I will be showing you how you can generate this kind of posts very super easily. Also, this Instagram channel basically is also about money mindsets, about motivation, inspiration. This also it's about motivation also. And now looking at these accounts, I believe that you may start getting some insights on the kind of faceless Instagram page you would like to build. And this brings us to the next step, which is choosing a niche. Now, a niche is simply a specific category that you want to focus in. It could be stuff like health and fitness, beauty and wellness, tech, personal finance, and much, much more. Now, this particular step is super important as it is usually best you pick a niche based on whatever passion you already have, because you are going to be putting out continuous content and information within that niche throughout the lifespan of your Instagram page. So it has to be something that you already enjoy or have a flair for. Now, the third step will be to identify your target audience. So after you have picked your niche, you want to know who exactly your content will be specifically designed for. For example, what is the age range of your target audience? Is it going to be for males or for females? Where do they live? What is their occupation? What are their interests? What is their pain point? Whatever it is. Now, the reason we're doing this is because if you want to make the most out of your faceless Instagram page, you need to understand your audience, and that will help you to be able to create content that are streamlined to targeting your audience. For example, if my niche is skincare, I would most likely be targeting the female gender, young people who have interest in beauty products, people who struggle with acne, and maybe even middle-aged people who want to invest in their skin to keep it glowing and anti-aging. Now, the next step after this, which is the fourth step, will be to create your Instagram account. It simply takes less than a minute. You want to go ahead and set up your profile, add your bio and other basic information, just like you can see here. You want to add your name that would show on your profile. Just add some basic things depending on whatever niche you are in. If it's all about skincare or about beauty, if it's all about health and fitness, you can put it there. Now, the fifth step, which is the next step, is after setting your Instagram account, the next step you want to do, of course, is to start creating content. Now, because this is a faceless Instagram account we are building, we will be utilizing software that can enable us create this content easily. Now, there's a lot of important metrics that Instagram looks at in order to keep promoting your videos. And one of them is the average view duration. How long do people watch your reels? So when you post a reel, does it keep people watching for long or even rewatching? For example, if you post a 15 seconds reel, are people watching up to 14 seconds? The average view, is it like 13, 14 seconds, or are people swiping away after the 4th second? Also, Instagram will look at the number of shares and saves for a certain reel, and that would also help determine if that particular content should be pushed out to more people, as it is an indication that people like that content. So when determining what kind of content you want to upload, you need to ask yourself these 3 questions. Is it relevant to my niche and to my target audience? Because of course, people are most likely to watch what they get some sort of satisfaction from. The second question you need to ask is, will this kind of content be something that people would want to save to come back? and rewatch later or share to friends? And the third question you want to ask is, can this content be monetizable? Because you don't want to be posting random comedies or memes that are only for fun and swipe away. Now, to create this content, we're going to head over to Chat GPT and simply give it a prompt, because I'm going to be showing you how you can automate all these steps without you having to rack your brain to come up with all the ideas and script them. I will tell Chat GPT, I want to build a faceless Instagram page under that niche. So you're going to put your niche. It may not be motivation, it could be health and fitness, it could be under personal finance, whatever it is. So give me 20 contents that would resonate with my target audience. The content should revolve around mindset, productivity, and self-improvement habits. Now, this is because that is under the motivational niche. If you're picking skincare, you can say content should revolve around skincare daily routine, skincare contents that are specific for targeting specific skin conditions, whatever. I'm not a skincare therapist. So, for example, 5 reasons you are not where you want to be yet. So you want to give ChatGPT an insight on the kind of content you want to create. And I usually like this kind of content because it keeps people intrigued. They want to know what are the reasons. So you want to tell ChatGPT it should be intriguing and sound natural. Now you can see that ChatGPT has gone ahead to give us all these contents that we can start pushing out on our Instagram page. And the next thing we want to do is we want to create our brand voice or our Instagram voice. Now you can actually use your own natural voice for this part, but because we're trying to create an automated system of doing this, so to do this, you can simply head over to 11 Labs by simply going to 11labs.io. Now 11 Labs is actually a great tool for creating a unique voice, and it is completely free to try out. However, there is a pay plan. You can see it's free to try out. And also there is a paid plan. You can see there is the starter, there's the creator, there's the pro plan. And it is actually quite affordable with respect to the amount of features that you will be able to unlock with these plans. However, if you are doing this, then I suggest you go with the creator plan, because not only is it affordable, it also has a reasonable amount of features that you can use to have a success in this particular business idea. Now, under 11 Labs, you would want to sign up and you want to go to text to speech. Under text to speech, you will simply want to input the content into 11 Labs so it can give us a big voice for our content. You can go here and select whatever voice. Now, I will suggest that you use whatever voice that will be unique and common throughout all your content. And for the purpose of this video, I'm selecting John Doe Deep. Now we can simply start with the first content. You can see here, the first content is 5 reasons you are not where you want to be here yet, which I've imputed here. And we want 11 Labs to produce a voice. So you want to go ahead and click generate a speech. 11 Labs is simply going to generate that speech for you, and you can go ahead to download it. By the way, if you are finding this super helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so YouTube will notify you when I post a new insightful video. Now, the next thing you want to do once you've downloaded your voice for the content, you want to simply go over to Canva and search for Instagram Reel. Canva is actually a free graphic design tool where you can create amazing designs that you can utilize for a variety of things. So we're going to be using Canva to create our Instagram content. And once you search for Instagram Reel, you would see that Canva will give you a variety of templates, which you can choose the ones that best suits your niche. Either it's beauty, or it's like fashion, or it's travel. But for the sake of this video, since we're making use of the motivation niche, I will be making use of this template. So we just want to click it here. I want to click customize this template. Now, what you simply need to do is go over and upload. Now, once we have imputed the audio, we can easily go ahead to generate our content. So you want to go ahead to Chat GPT and we want to copy the content, or we can just copy it from here and impute it. 5 reasons you're not where you want to be yet. Now, once you are done, you're going to have a video that looks something like this.
5 reasons you're not where you want to be yet. 1. You're afraid of failure. 2. You procrastinate too much. 3. You prioritize comfort over growth. 4. You compare your journey to others. 5. You haven't committed to your goals fully.
Now, I would suggest that you take a little bit of extra time in creating these contents. They're actually super simple and very easy to do. And these kind of videos are doing very well and are going viral on Instagram as they keep the viewers watching and intrigued because of the value addition that it is giving to the viewer. Therefore, if you are looking to go viral on Instagram and as well as make money, then you should be looking at value addition in whatever niche you are looking to choose. Now, this is just one way of getting this going very quickly. You can also use other available motivational videos on the internet if you are going with the motivational niche, and make sure to give credit to whomever it is due. However, there is a means where you can use AI to generate everything for you, but I will need to know that you would like for me to share this with you. If you want me to do a video on how you can create content from the start to finish with AI and monetize your Instagram, comment the word AI in the comment section. Now back to our video. Now, while uploading your content on Instagram, if you are already a social media person, you would know that you are able to add audios from Instagram. And I would suggest you use a soft, ominous audio or an audio that complements the video just to enhance viewers' attention. So you can simply look at other similar Instagram pages within your niche and look at the kind of music or audio they use. You can save those audios and use them for yours. I would also suggest that you post at least 2 times daily. The thing about Instagram Reels is that the more quality content you post out, and Instagram sees that people resonate with such content, the more they would continue to share your future content with more people. So I started this strategy in less than 30 days and I was posting a minimum of 2 contents daily. And in less than 30 days, I already have over 24,000 views on my page. So this actually works. So also ensure that you are crafting a short caption to convey the message of your content, and you're also utilizing relevant hashtags. You can ask Chat GPT to help you with that. Just give it a simple prompt. Now, how do you monetize your content on Instagram? Depending on your niche, you want to think of what other value you can offer that people will be willing to pay for. It could be selling your own digital product, or it could be selling digital products of others through affiliate marketing, which is one of the very easy ways to make money because you are not doing the work, you're just simply selling. So you're going to attach your affiliate link to your link in bio, and with every content you post, you want to introduce a call to action in directing viewers to your link in bio. So you can see a similar niche like this. You can see a link in their bio. You can also see this Instagram page. You can see the link also in their bio where they want to attract either leads or close sales directly. And because you are already giving value to people, people will be willing to pay for whatever extra value you are willing to offer. That is the psychology. So remember to offer value first. I've actually made a video on how you can get started with affiliate marketing with almost no upfront investment. It's a well-detailed guide, including how you can sign up and get your links and start selling immediately, which I believe is the next step or the next thing you want to focus on doing once you've set up your profile and started creating content. I would attach the video here so you can go ahead and check it out.